ating. Mura siya bayaw ako kung ano. Tiil. Shadow. This is mom's turtle. Can you see that hole? Done sa PC. Mom did that more than 15 years ago when she's still very small, and free her so that she could freely go wherever we want. Now, after more than 15 years, Mom rescued her. There's drought here. The water bank dried up, and then Mom found her. Papa found her, and thought that it's just a stone, but it's a turtle. That's why she's having a scar here. There's a scar in her shell. She was hit by a sword, and buti na lang it did not get penetrated. It's just in the shell. And Mom so happy that she's still alive after more than 15 years. Now I am worried about her because this is not her habitat. But as much as we would love to free her and bring her back to the habitat that she used to in the farm, they're so worried because there are hunters and villagers here that wanted to hunt any animals that they see and eat because of this outbreak or coronavirus. Some families that have enough sources to get their own food. So Mom's so worried that she might end up being cooked. But I told Mom already that we really have to free her because this is not the way she lives. And just make sure that she's still safe. So this is Shelby. I named her Shelby. SHELLBIE. Shelby. I was there when Mom freed her when she's still small. She has siblings too, but I don't know if they're still alive. Is she alone? I don't know. Shelby, when things are okay already, I'll free you. Okay? Don't worry. No one's gonna hurt you anymore. Stay still, baby. Alright, baby. Stay still. Oh, Shelby. You put her here, and she also have She's done with her meal, and I washed her cup. That's why plenty of water here. Look, that's our baby Shelby. If we're going to bring her back there on the farm, there's no water. She was found above the dried the rotten leaves to moisten herself, and because there's still no water, no rainwater, the banks, the creeks, have no water and all. If you put her on the near the well where there are a lot of people there, she might end up being killed by them. So we won't let that happen. So that's why we rescued her. And when the rainy season is coming, and it's just 1 week or 2 weeks from now, it's a rainy season now. After 2 weeks here, we'll bring her back there. And I really pray that she could still survive. I know she can. She's been through a lot. No food, no water, and she's still alive. How much more she wants? She has food and water. Alright, dear Shelby. Shelby, come on, say hi to them, Shelby. Shelby, baby. Oh, don't be shy. Alright, I understand. I love you, baby Shelby. Oh,